Hello kutis, let's learn months of the year and days of the week. First, let's see months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. January. January is the first month of the year. J A N U A or Y. January. February. February is the second month of the year. F E B or U A or Y. February. March. March is the third month of the year. M A R C H March. April. April is the fourth month of the year. A P R I L April. May. May is the fifth month of the year. M A Y May. June. June is the sixth month of the year. J U N E June. July. July is the seventh month of the year. J U L Y July. August. August is the eighth month of the year. A U G U S T August. September. September is the ninth month of the year. S E P T E M B E R September. October. October is the 10th month of the year. O C T O B E R October. November. November is the 11th month of the year. N O V E M B E R November. December. December is the 12th month of the year. D E C E M B E R December. Let's review. 12 months of the year is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Next, we are going to see days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday. Sunday is the first day of the week. S U N D A Y Sunday. Monday. Monday is the second day of the week. M O N D A Y Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday is the third day of the week. T U E S D A Y Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday is the fourth day of the week. W E D N E S D A Y Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday is the fifth day of the week. T H U R S D A Y Thursday. Friday. Friday is the sixth day of the week. F R I D A Y Friday. Saturday. Saturday is the seventh day of the week. S A T U R D A Y Saturday. Let's review. 7 days of the week is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Like, share, subscribe Hanibee Kids channel. Thanks for watching.